You don't have to do it all. You just have to do what matters. That's one of my favorite lines from Make Time How to Focus on What Matters Every Day by Knapp and Zeratsky. So, what's this book all about? If you've ever felt like your days blur together, overwhelmed by never-ending to-do lists and a constant stream of notifications, well, you're not alone. Make Time is all about breaking out of that cycle so you can focus on what actually matters to you. Let's break it down. The authors, who help design apps like Gmail and YouTube, know firsthand how easy it is to get sucked into the digital world. They say, it's not about getting more done, but about making time for what's truly important. Their secret, a super simple 4-step framework: highlight, laser, energize, and reflect. Let me walk you through those. First up, highlight. Imagine starting every day by choosing just one thing, a single priority. That'll be your highlight. It could be as big as finishing a work project or as simple as taking a walk with your dog. The point is, you pick it on purpose and protect that time. It's like putting a spotlight on what really matters, instead of letting life's chaos set your agenda. Next, laser. Distractions are everywhere. Think social media, news feeds, those endless infinity pools of content. The laser step is about cutting out the noise. The authors recommend simple tactics like turning off notifications or leaving your phone in another room. Make it harder to get distracted, and suddenly you're a lot more focused on your highlight. Then comes Energize. This one's easy to overlook, but it's crucial. If you're tired or stressed, it's almost impossible to stay focused. Take care of your body, move around, get enough sleep, eat well, maybe just step outside for a few minutes. Treat yourself like a prehistoric human, and your brain and body work together to give you the energy you need. And finally, reflect. At the end of the day, look back. Did you protect your highlight? What worked? What didn't? This isn't about being perfect, it's about noticing, tweaking, and gradually building your own system. So why does any of this matter? Because if you don't choose how you spend your time, the world will choose for you. By making even small changes like picking a daily highlight or blocking out distractions, you start to reclaim your day. You don't need to do it all, you just need to do what matters. So, here's my challenge tomorrow morning. Pick your highlight, guard it fiercely, and at the end of the day, see how you feel. What would you make time for if you could? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, your time is yours to design.